I have here the 33-piece Christmas photo booth props set. Comes with the sticks and the decorations for the photo booth. I actually assembled these using a hot glue gun. There's a wide variety of different photo props. Candy canes, Santas, reindeer noses, glasses. Gives a plethora of different variety. So I took the prop, instead of using the sticky back because I was going to have kids, I flipped it over and used a hot glue gun on each of these to secure the stick, because I really wanted to make sure they were not going to come apart with the littles, okay? So I did feel that the glue stick was a better option. So with the frame, again, with the littles, I wanted to secure the frame to make it a little easier for the littles. So I glued popsicle sticks on the back of it to create a solid base and a solid frame so the littles can hold it up without bending it and ruining it. It is now sturdy and adorable and so ready for those photo backdrop moments. I love all of these props. They are so fancy and fun, and the frame is going to add so much to our party.